Hi guys, I'm Ram Agarwal. You are watching my channel 52 Pixels. Let's get started. Hi guys, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to bend a logo onto an image. So to get started, we have this image of this pair of shoes and this is the logo of 52 Pixels as you all must be knowing. So to start with, we'll just make this layer as convert to a smart object as always, and now duplicate this layer and name it as logo. Once done, just take this layer over here and we might want to transform it. So press Ctrl plus T and just scale it down a little bit. So after scaling like this, press enter and take this logo to the place desired. So this is the place where I want to embed my logo around this place, and again I want it to be a little smaller than this. So Ctrl plus T, transform, and this is the perfect size. Press enter. So now to start transforming the image, to start transforming the logo, what we'll do is go to edit, transform, and in transform we have this option called warp. So I'll just zoom into the picture. So this is our logo and it has now some points that we can use to warp the logo, to warp the image into the background image. So to start with, we'll just play with this corner. So as you can see, if I drag this corner, the image is going to get stretched to any direction, whichever direction which I desire. So let's keep it back to normal. And these are the points that just stretch the image from the middle. So these are the points that we can use to stretch the image from the middle. And if we drag the mouse in the center, the image kind of gets dragged from the center. So we have these options. Now to start working, I have to see that this is the layer of my shoe, the border of the sole. So I have to make this logo match with the border so that it looks kind of embedded with the shoe. So I will just drag this down over here and then this one as well, just to match the line. Same way with this one. Now the line is kind of matching. As you can see, the line sort of matches well with the sole border. We can drag it a little more, just like this. It's a slow work and it's a bit like tedious and hard job to do it, but then it yields a good effect once you know how to master it. Like once you master it completely and you know how to work with this tool, it's quite effective and a helpful tool while editing and when you're designing a logo or maybe designing a product. So this is the best tool that you can rely on. It's like this. So as you can see, the layer is sort of matching with the sole border. Same way with the other parts, I have adjusted the parts so that they match perfectly to the shoe and the bends and all that. Once I press enter, you won't be able to see much change. You won't notice anything, but I will show you what it is like. So I'll just first go to the blend mode. So from here I can change the blending. So currently it is at normal. I can change it to, let's say, dissolve or darken, multiply, color burn, linear burn, darker color, lighten, screen. Screen looks good, but then it's too faded, so I don't think so that will look good. As you can see, it's quite faded, so we won't go with screen. We'll go with color dodge or maybe linear dodge, lighter color, overlay. Overlay suits well, but then again, this is too dark in this particular case. The overlay blending mode is too dark, so we'll go with some other mode, linear light. So I guess linear light looks good. The colors are the same. And if we zoom into the image, As you can see, a bit of fabric behind is visible, so it looks like the logo is printed on the shoe, and it doesn't look edited. It looks natural. And as you can see, this part is little, what you say, it's not curved the way it should be. So we'll again go to edit and transform and warp. So this is the part. We just drag it out a little bit and we'll push this part inside, and then work with this part a little bit and this one. So now it looks blend well with the background, and once you see the logo, it looks like it's printed over there and it looks natural. We can reduce the size now, maybe just like this, and press enter. So we can transfer it to any position, any place we want. So I'll keep it over here in its original place. So this is the way we added a logo to the shoe, and using the arrow keys we can again just, you know, move it around. I'm not actually satisfied with the position of the logo, but still you can just play around with that and see what works the best for the image. Well, that's it for today, guys. Hope you liked the video. Make sure you subscribe to 52 Pixels and tap on the bell icon to get notified. Thank you.